Hello everyone. This is in continuation to our subject Quantitative Techniques of BCA 5th semester NEP syllabus. We were discussing about some important questions with solutions. This is part 7. First question, pointing to a boy, Mahesh said, he is the son of the only son of my mother. How is Mahesh related to the boy? See the wordings, only son of my mother. This indicates that this indicates, this implies that Mahesh is that son. He is the son of the only son of my mother means, hence, the boy is the son of Mahesh, which means that Mahesh is the father of the son. Mahesh is the father. So that means option A is the right option. Now let us proceed to the next question. How many ways the word equation can be arranged in non-repeated letters? First of all, how many letters are there? Number of letters in the word is equal to, we may notice it is 4 plus 4, 8. 8 letters, and there are no repeat letters. Therefore, the number of ways is equal to straight away 8 factorial. And that if we calculate 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1, we get 40,320 ways. That will be the solution for that. Let us move on to the next question. It's a 5-mark question. Which least number when divided by 36, 24, 16 leaves 11 as remainder in each case? So for this, we need to find out the LCM of 36, 24, and 16. We will do common division method to find out that 36, 24, 16. All are divisible by 2. So 2 18s are, 2 12s are, 2 8s are. Now, we will consider 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12. This is not divisible, so we will write as it is. Now considering 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Considering 2 again, 3, 1, 2. Considering 2 again, 3, 1, 1. Considering 3 now, 1, 1, 1. So therefore, the LCM will be, how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 power 4 multiplied by 3 square. That is 16 into 9, which is 144. Therefore, the required least number, when divided by these numbers, leaves 11 means we have to add to this LCM 11. We will get 155. So that is the required number. Let us move on to the next question. Of the 3 numbers, the first number is twice the second, and the second is thrice the third. If the average of the 3 numbers is 10, then what is the largest number? So let the numbers be T1, T2, T3. Given, what is given? First is twice the second. So T1 is 2 times T2. Consider this as equation 1. And the second is thrice the third. Thrice the third number. So this second equation can be modified as we will not modify that. We will modify the first equation. So, therefore, first equation can be rewritten as T1 is equal to 2 times T2. T2 can be replaced with T3, which will be 6 times T3. So now, given average of these three numbers, average is given as 10. Average is sum of the numbers by the number of numbers, which is 3. Cross multiplying, we will get 30 is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3. So that means 30 is equal to T1 can be written as 6 times T3. T2 can be written as 3 times T3. T3 we will write it as T3 only, which means we will get 30 equal to 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So 10 times T3. That means T3 is 3. So now that we got T3, we can find out T1 as therefore T1 in terms of T3 is given as 6 T3, 6 times 3, which is 18, and T2, which is 3 times 3T, T3, which is 9. We need the largest number, therefore, the largest number is the first number, and that is 18. So that is the solution for this question. Let us move on to the next question, which is find the value of the logarithm of logarithm of 1 by 343 to the base root 7 and the logarithm of 512 into 256 divided by 32 to the base 2. There are two parts of this question. First one is to find logarithm of 1 by 343 to the base root 7. For this, we will first find out the factors of 343. 7, it is divisible, we get 49. Again, this is divisible by 7, we get, which means that 343 can be written as 7 to the cube. But here the base is in terms of square root. So 7, I will write it as root 7 to the power of 2. And then there is a 7 is written as root 7 square, and there is already a cube. So that we will be writing it outside. So that means this is nothing but root 7 to the power of 6. So 343 can be written as root 7 to the power of 6. This we will rewrite it as logarithm of 343 to the power of minus 1 root 7, which is logarithm of 343 is nothing but root of 7 to the power of 6. And that is also having a power minus 1 root 7. So this can be further rewritten as logarithm of root 7 to the power of 6 into minus 1, it is minus 6 to the base root 7. So this is can be rewritten as minus 6 to the power multiplied by logarithm of root 7 to the base root 7. This is nothing but 1. So it's minus 6 into 1, we get minus 6 as the result. So that is the first part. Now let us move on to the second part. Second part is finding logarithm of 512 into 256 divided by 32 to the base 2. So now we will factorize 512 to it becomes 256, then 2 becomes 128, again 2 we get 64, 2 we get 32. I think we can stop it because there is a denominator 32. So this can be written as logarithm of 512 can be written as 2 power 4 into 32. Now we will do 256 factorization to 128 to 64 to 32 to 16, then 16, 2 means 8, 2 means 4, 2 means 2. So 256 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 power 8. Now this 32 and 32 is getting cancelled. We get logarithm of 2 to the power of 4 plus 8 to the base 2 to the base 2. That is logarithm of 2 to the power of 12 to the base 2, which can be written as 12 times logarithm of 2 to the base 2. So the result is 12 into 1, which is 12. So that is the solution for this question.